Our world is connected by vast oceans, traversed by colossal ships powering global trade. Nearly 90% of all goods move by sea, from cars to food, all thanks to these floating giants. But who builds these vessels? A select group of industrial titans, spread across continents, create the largest moving objects on Earth. Their shipyards are marvels of engineering, pushing for efficiency, endurance, and a sustainable future. Join us as we navigate the world of modern shipbuilding. Our journey begins in Ulsan, South Korea, at Hyundai Heavy Industries, the world's largest shipyard. Here, massive gantry cranes assemble the skeletons of future ocean giants. HHI is a global leader, building everything from LNG carriers, container ships, to oil tankers. Its scale and innovation set the standard. A significant portion of the world's fleet bears the Hyundai mark, a testament to its dominance. On Gyeonggi Island, Daewoo Shipbuilding and Marine Engineering, or DSME, is a South Korean powerhouse. Renowned for complex projects, DSME excels in LNG carriers and offshore structures. Its expertise in specialized vessels drives maritime innovation. Recent talks with Hyundai signal industry consolidation. DSME's legacy is technical mastery. Samsung Heavy Industries, or SI, completes South Korea's Big Three. Known for ultra-large container ships and advanced drill ships, SI leverages Samsung's technological strength, focusing on high-value, technologically advanced vessels. SI's shipyards are among the world's most efficient, producing ships that push the boundaries of marine engineering. Samsung Heavy Industries is a true leader in global shipbuilding. SDX Offshore and Shipbuilding's journey reflects the volatility of global shipbuilding. Once a major player with yards in Asia and Europe, STX faced financial turmoil after rapid expansion. Restructuring followed, narrowing its focus. Despite setbacks, STX continues to build, a reminder of the industry's cyclical nature. Imabari Shipbuilding leads in Japan with 10 shipyards and 3 factories. This allows for specialization. Imabari is famed for bulk carriers and some of the world's largest container ships. Strategic alliances boost its technological edge. Imabari's diverse output keeps Japan a global shipbuilding force. In Europe, Italy's Fincantieri dominates shipbuilding, with expertise in cruise ships and naval vessels. Fincantieri builds the world's most advanced cruise liners, revolutionizing maritime tourism. It also supplies navies with sophisticated warships, balancing commercial and military projects. Strategic acquisitions like Viard have expanded its global reach. Fincantieri's dual focus ensures stability and leadership in high-value shipbuilding, making it Europe's premier shipbuilder. Russia's JSC United Shipbuilding Corporation, or USC, unites shipyards under state control. Its main focus is military, building submarines, frigates, and Arctic-ready vessels. USC also constructs commercial ice-class ships for harsh environments. From St. Petersburg to the Far East, USC is central to Russia's maritime ambitions. China Shipbuilding Group, or CSG, is now the world's largest shipbuilder. CSG produces everything from crude carriers to advanced warships for the Chinese Navy. Its focus on both commercial and military vessels gives it unmatched scale. CSG is challenging South Korea's dominance. China's ambition is clear global leadership in shipbuilding. CSG is the new superpower on the seas. Sumitomo Heavy Industries, or SHII, brings precision engineering to shipbuilding, specializing in medium-sized, high-spec ships, like Aframax oil tankers. Sumitomo focuses on efficiency and green technology. Its vessels are known for quality and innovation. SI exemplifies Japanese craftsmanship in the maritime world. Mitsubishi Heavy Industries, or MHI, is a pillar of Japanese industry with shipyards in Nagasaki and Shimonoseki. MHI builds passenger ships and advanced naval vessels. Focusing on complex projects like gas carriers and green technologies, MHI leads in naval innovation and autonomous shipping, its legacy, adaptation and progress. In Mumbai, Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders Limited, or MDL, is India's premier naval shipyard. MDL builds warships and submarines for the Indian Navy, playing a vital strategic role. It also constructs offshore platforms for the energy sector, supporting India's maritime self-reliance. Cochin Shipyard Limited, or CSL, is India's largest shipyard. CSL builds aircraft carriers and offshore support vessels. Specializing in complex ships, CSL attracts international business, balancing national projects with commercial success. It represents India's modern shipbuilding industry. In Belfast, Harland & Wolff is legendary for building the Titanic. After decades of decline, it has reinvented itself for ship repair and offshore energy projects. Its dry docks now service cruise ships and build wind turbine components. Harland and Wolff's story is one of adaptation and resilience. The name endures, bridging history and innovation. Damen Shipyards Group is a leading Netherlands maritime company. With shipyards worldwide, Damen's success is standardization. Their modular approach allows rapid delivery of tugboats, ferries, and patrol craft. Damen is a leader in vessel construction. The Damen standard is a global benchmark. On the River Clyde, BAE Systems Maritime Naval Ships leads UK warship construction, focused on advanced naval technology. BAE builds the Royal Navy's most sophisticated ships like the Type 26 Global Combat Ship. BAE creates strategic assets, ensuring the UK's technological edge at sea. From Asia's superyards to Europe's naval docks, shipbuilders shape our world. They build the vessels that drive trade, fuel cities, and protect nations. These companies are the architects of the oceans, pushing engineering to new heights. The future brings challenges: decarbonization, automation, and fierce competition. Adapt to define the next era. Subscribe for more.